Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. I'm super excited about today's drawing tutorial. This is my best piece that I've drawn this year. I'm drawing Pennywise from the 2017 movie It. As always, I start out by using a Caran D'ache pencil and freehanding a sketch in. For the rest of this drawing, I'm doing it completely with COPIC markers and a coloured pencil. I wanted to try and get a real sense of realism with this. I wanted to try as best as I could to try and make this look like a photograph or a poster. I think I've achieved that look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Is this my best drawing that I've done to date? If you guys have been subscribed to the channel and you've watched a lot of my videos, let me know what you think. Your opinion really does matter to me. I've had some great feedback on Instagram and Facebook where I've posted this picture. So if you guys haven't followed me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, don't forget the links are all down below in the description. You can get hold of me there. I'd love to connect with you. I give some sort of sneak peeks at work that I'm doing, and I'm also taking requests. You can leave me a request down below in the comments, or you can get hold of me on, like I say, all of my social media. And I'm doing daily videos, so you will get your request drawn. I've had some fantastic characters and ideas being given to me recently on the community, so thank you so much for that. It does mean an awful lot to me. For the majority of this drawing, I use my Cool Grey 1 Copic marker. Now, Pennywise's face is actually white, but it's amazing how you can make something which is grey look white as long as you are developing contrast in the other areas. So there's a red balloon at the top. Pennywise's hair is a cadmium orange, and around Pennywise's face he has a frill which I've gone very dark with a dark pencil. So as long as you are building contrast into it, you can make something that isn't white appear to be white. And I'm sure you'll agree with me if you stick around to the end. Pennywise's face in this drawing does actually look white, although like I say, it is a Cool Grey 1. I've used a cardinal red for the darker areas of the nose and the mouth, and for Pennywise's eyes I used a greyish green, and it had a yellow tint as well over the top of it. I'm using a black pencil crayon to just get the details right and the shading areas around the nose, around the chin, looking as realistic as possible. If you are using a pencil crayon over the Copic marker, don't bear down too hard on the paper and score the paper. Just lightly coat the areas with fine strokes of the pencil, and you will get this very rich, realistic tone. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm doing all of the frill here with my Caran D'ache pencils. I'm using an HB, 2B and a 6B. I decided not to use the Copic markers in this area, and I use the technique that I'm sure some of you have seen me using when I'm drawing hair, which is I brush the graphite in and I take the darker areas I go dark with a 6B, but the lighter areas I take out with an eraser. We're nearing the end of this. I'm adding a black background, but I just wanted to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting. Everything that you do makes a big difference to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. Don't forget to check me out on all of my social media. I'd love to hear your requests. If you have something you'd like me to draw, or a tutorial of drawing something, then let me know. Like I say, I'm doing daily videos, so I will get around to doing yours. So let me know what you think of this and any of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It means an awful lot to me. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great day.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.